Hey guys, what's happening? How to cancel Pro subscription in CapCut, right? So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and go back to your screen, right? If you are using your iPhone and you subscribe to CapCut Pro using your iPhone, go ahead to the settings, and then click your name at the top, click subscriptions, and you're gonna see all the subscription you made on your iPhone, right? Including CapCut. So you're gonna see right here CapCut, and instead of renew, you're gonna see cancel subscription. You're gonna go through the process of canceling your subscription, and eventually you're gonna confirm via facial recognition, and now you just canceled your CapCut Pro subscription. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.